Now we're going to look at solving word problems that require a one-step inequality. And some things to keep an eye out for is it talking about something with a total? Are there any keywords that might help us? Also remember, you can always plug in sample numbers that might help you figure out what operation you would have to use. And then just make sure you plug back in the variables when you write your actual inequality. We're going to look at 3 different examples of writing inequalities to match word problems. Our first one, we're going to start with this. There are currently 16 students in the class. If there are enough seats for at most 30 students, well, I'm going to start with that part. So I know we can fit 30 students, but 30 students is the most. That means that how many we fit would have to be less than, but it could actually equal 30. So we could fit 30 students or we could fit less than 30 students. We currently have 16 students in the class. How many more? So we're adding more students. So 16 with the additional students has to be less than or equal to 30. For the next one, Gia is selling bracelets for $8 each. Typically when I say for each or per, that's something I'm going to multiply. So $8 each is $8 times the number of bracelets. I'll use B for bracelets. And if you're not sure what operation to use there, I could just make up a number. So if I wanted to sell 2 bracelets, that'll be 8 times 2 is 16. So now I know I need to multiply, then I can put back in my B, so 8 times B. How many does she need to sell if she hopes to make at least $80? So I need my 80. She wants to make at least $80. So she could make 80, but 80 is the least. So really she wants to make more than $80. And for our last one, if Tom divided his Halloween candy in half, so we're dividing in half. So here's our candy we have, and we're dividing that in half, means dividing by 2. He still had more than 25 pieces left. So I need my 25. He had more than that left. So the x over 2, they're dividing, was more than 25 pieces. It doesn't say he could have exactly 25, so we don't want to put the line underneath just the greater than sign. And every word problem is going to be a little bit different, no matter how many examples we go over. So you've just got to read through it carefully, think about what makes sense in the problem, try some sample numbers out to see if it works, and then write your inequality.